Hi there everyone, welcome to Shishacreative. I hope all of you are enjoying the videos of Shishacreative, and I'm really happy as I'm starting to get more and more comments and subscribers from all of you. I hope you all are sharing the videos, and do leave your comments and suggestions below in the comments box. Now to go with today's video, we are going to see a simple scape of how to scape a tree in a cube, that is in a 6-inch cube bowl. So this is the model that we are going to see today, and I have used only moss, driftwood and a rock inside this. So this was scaped around like 2 weeks back, and it has been a success because the moss is still green, and I'm really happy with the scape of how it has turned out to be exactly like a tree. So let's go ahead and watch it, and before that, do take a closer look at the scape. So this scape was dedicated for Thor. So I think he's having a happy time swimming around the tree. Okay, let's go and see how to do the scape. So I have used a 6-inch cube bowl, and I have used one rock, a small piece of driftwood like a V shape so that we can do it as a tree, some moss, this is river sand, and this is Thor, so this is going to be his house, of course. So first I'm going to put in some sand into the cube bowl. And before we start, always make sure that you wipe the glass bowl carefully with cotton. And I'm going to add some river sand for up to like 3 inches. So after adding the river sand, even it out. Now to stick the tree and the rock together, use a little cotton and use flexi glue. So I'm going to stick both together. Please be cautious while using flexi glue, as it can stick the hands together if it is not used properly. After sticking both together, stick the moss, shape the moss also in the shape of tree, and stick it on the branches. The moss that I have used is Rikia, and the rock is a river rock. So after you stick the moss, place it carefully inside the bowl on the sand, and then you can fill in water. And when you fill in water, you have to let in the water really slowly so that the scape does not get distorted. So once the water is filled, wait for 24 hours, and then we can catch the fish and leave it inside the bowl. Hope the videos of Shisha Creative are fun to watch and easy to follow. Do leave your comments and suggestions below. Subscribe to join our fam. Keep watching for more. Bye bye.